so let's just look at this. We have the midnight opening price for today is down here. Obviously, not trying to catch anything off the initial move. There's no way you can tell which way it's gonna go. So let's jump down. Okay, so spike higher first, taking out these highs, and Dixie. Have we taken out the lows yet? No, we haven't. So I'm currently thinking we take out the lows and then we push higher on Dixie. Let's see. Look at this death
Yeah.
wick on ES. That's what you call a Darth Maul candle right there. Yeah, so Dixie traded right to CE of the daily FEG. Look at that. We want to see what it wants to do here. Now it's going a bit lower. Okay, yep. That should basically confirm that ES is going up.
Yep,
Let's just see what it
NFP
looks like
came
on
in
50.
311k and it was estimated at 225k, which means there's a lot more people being paid, which means and if the unemployment rate shouldn't be going down. That's not good. Not good at all.
So what you're saying is bullish Dixie.
Yeah, bullish Dixie. It should be bullish Dixie. Theoretically, the theory says bullish Dixie. That's all I'm gonna say. Theory says bullish Dixie.
Yeah, this. Look at that gap right there. Yes. Like there's not really anything right here. We've
Can
cleaned.
you hear me?
Yo, yo, yo. Sup, G?
How's it
Oh yeah,
going,
you're
guys?
on
How's it
stream,
going,
on
guys?
stream,
Long
yeah.
time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while, bro. Alright, yeah, so like ES is pushing up a bit.
Not good. Not good.
You don't reckon it's good? I will see because usually there's NFP does
What was
have like a fake move. Apparently the news came in bullish for
Dixie.
Dixie.
Dixie?
311k NFP estimated was 225k.
Alright, so are
Nearly
we
100k
watching
more.
for shorts on ES here? Just
What's
look
up,
at this
Pre-Nav? How's it going, brother?
and then look at this. I'm more interested in the higher one, but let's see. We need some sort of indication of a willingness to go lower. Okay, yep, this is starting to look good. I might start building shorts on ES.
You watching ES?
Yeah, FX has too much slippage. Alright,
What do you, bro? You reckon
if
just do
we,
this?
yeah, I do. I reckon it's bullish Dixie. If we invert this, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency to resistance, so like, if we push down and then come back up, um, this is somewhere where I'd look to short. Um, yeah, like currently it's an absolute gamble to take shorts right now because of this, but I do believe this thing goes lower.
Your little fake out? Up
I
for
don't know, I'm
ES?
in favor of the high being in on ES right now. Like if we SFP under this FEG again, because we've just taken that high. Oh, it hasn't. But I mean, fair enough. If we SFP under here and like start to go lower, I'd kinda, okay, I'm moving my trigger will be seeing this low taken out because this is the one that led to the sweep of the highs. I can't look at this Dixie 1 minute chart and say that it's gonna go down. I don't know. Like, look at that. This thing's gonna rip, in my opinion.
Yeah, it could. It could just at least go to a premium of that most recent leg.
Yeah.
I feel like Roy. I feel like near just needs to take out those highs on the left before it starts coming down. It's so close. See, all those highs from about the highs made from about 11, maybe 12 o'clock midnight time. From all the highs from midnight time till
Send
3
it,
o'clock in the
Dixie.
morning.
Absolutely
New York time.
send Dixie right now.
I'm more looking at the highs that
Yeah,
1:55
this is
a.m.
good. This is good. This
and
is good. Okay, dump
2:26.
NQ. Yeah, I want this low displaced through. It should show no willingness to bounce now. Dixie should send above this volume imbalance. Pay it zero respect in terms of candle closes. If we are going to get a short setup. Um, okay, NQ showing more weakness right now than ES. Okay, yep. I'm gonna start looking to short ES here. Yeah, Dixie just needs to reclaim this volume imbalance. Yeah, look at that. Candle close above 50% of the volume imbalance. This is calm. If okay, so I'll get rid of this noise. Yeah, here on ES. This is first POI. And then if we close this candle with a FEG, which I do expect us to do, this is the second one. Yeah, we want to see Dixie send above here. It needs to take out this high to shift on the 5 minute. But I don't think it should have any problems with doing that. Yeah, Pranav, I agree. Um, I did say like once it took out this high, it's kind of showing you like the algo's kind of tipping its hand to you, but like it is on M1, so you can get like faked out a lot. That's why you need to wait for at least the 5 minute one. But this is bullish price action right here. I did call that. Um,
Devs, we're gonna have to wait for structure shift on AVAX. Too much upside. Too much upside.
Roy, what do you think? Shorts on for indices? I think so. I mean, I want to see Dixie shift on the 5. It just needs to take out this high, and then it's all good.
Yeah, like I do expect a bit more upside first. Those ones there. Are you on the 5
Um, yeah, on the 5. Oh, it shifted on the 5.
for ES?
Oh, no, I'm looking at Dixie. Oh, it did
Oh, okay.
shift. I was waiting, but I do want this high taken out right here. Um, just watch this volume imbalance right here. Where is that? There we go. I'm gonna start building shorts here on ES. Stop loss is gonna be above, like a soft stop loss above this high, but ideally, like you want to see this protected. Over here. Um, alright, let's see.
Are you limiting in or no?
Nah, I'm a marketing. I'm a man of the
That's the
market,
way,
G.
G.
I'm a
That's the
man of
way,
the
mate.
market. I'm a
The
man of the
man of
market.
the market.
You
I'm a
reckon?
price maker, not a price. I mean, I'm a price taker. To be fair, I'm not a price maker. Yeah. So, Dixie, I really want to see these highs, Ryan.
Um, so
It
just
needs to just reclaim this. Wait, what?
uh, see what Devs is asking. Just explain to him how it works.
Oh, so okay, so a lot of like, for example, Bing X and a lot of like prop firms and stuff, they don't have futures for the S&P. It'll be the CFD, like US 500 for S&P, US 100 for Nasdaq, US 30 for Dow. But this right here is E-mini S&P 500 futures. You have to pay like $5 on TradingView to get the live data from CME, but it's 100% worth it. I do not like trading um like US 500 whatsoever. It's just not a pleasant experience. But like right now, I don't recommend taking trades anyway. So you can just go on E-mini S&P futures, if you want to buy the data for $5, and then you can paper trade with us. Like it's not high probability live trades. whatsoever. Always paper trading.
Yeah, it's actually good practice too.
No, it's very
So,
good practice.
Put you in the like the right mindset.
Yeah.
so the E-mini S&P is just the futures. It's the CME, Chicago Mercantile Index. CME's made the E-mini S&P as a futures contract so that you can trade futures for the S&P
Just betting on the
500.
price of it.
Yeah. It's just futures for the S&P 500. You don't have to trade the actual contracts, the large contracts of the S&P 500. You can just trade the
So there's
futures.
like
You
there's
can
like
enter
mini
with smaller amounts.
there's like mini S and mini futures, and then there's E micro. There's micro futures as well. So if, like it all depends on like how many US dollars value is one handle. I'm gonna start building shorts here on ES. Alright, I'm in one contract.
Devs,
Sitting.
it's probably not going to be the same price action. And the problem is
It's
if you haven't
similar.
bought, it's similar, but if you haven't bought the live price action for the ES futures on TradingView, it's always going to be delayed.
Did you get in, Roy?
Nah, not yet.
Oh, I got.
I'm in
I'm
GU.
in. I'm in. Oh, you're on GU. I'm
Yeah.
in on one short. As you guys can see, there's the entry there on ES. Alright, this is good. This staying unfilled is very good right here. Yeah, this is nice. Alright, so now I want to see. I'll take that out now. I want to see this up close candle prevent price from going higher. So this should act as a bearish order block right here. This is actually a high probability bearish order block. This high should not get taken out. It's unlikely to be taken out. But like, look at this, right? This is low probability trading conditions because Dixie last two candles big down close candles. ES last candle is a big down close candle. Like it's not meant to be like that. That's not exactly. So I did say I wanted Dixie above here, which it hasn't currently been able to do. But I'll just refine my levels to the 5. So this is the 5-minute breaker block. Oh jeez. Right there. Yeah, Dixie should send from here.
I'm in GU.
Shorts.
Yeah.
Okay. That was a bit of a premature entry, but I sold again. I sold again. As long as this FEG
Loading
holds,
here.
it's not exactly the best price action, I have to admit, because this it's just watch for the candle closes. So I'm in one there, and then another one up here, and then one over there. I'll put on the execution label. No, I'll put on positions. And yeah, there we go. Alright, so stop loss would be above this high. TP will worry about that later. But I want to see 50% of this wick hold for candle closes. Oh jeez. Ideally, if that was the top, that's what would happen. But let's just see how it respects this.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Yeah,
I
it's
feel a bit
it's low
weird now.
resistance liquidity run because like look at this Dixie, bro. It's actually crazy. Oh, how's NQ looking? Okay, NQ's a bit stronger than ES. Like ES doesn't look the worst for shorts right now. It's just like it's like whoa territory. Like you better start going
Whoa,
down
whoa,
now
whoa.
territory. Um, like Dixie, I'm surprised. I would be surprised for it to come all the way down here and not take this low back into this fair value gap here. But okay, yeah, this is good. Um, ES dumping. Do you see how 50% of this wick held for the candle closes? Closed there and the open there. That's bearish price action. Um, Alright, so now, yeah, like what is this, bro? Okay, Dixie should, if it's bottom, then it should bottom now. Like that should be the bottom of it. Um, what does this look like on the 5? Yeah,
GU could run.
up. I'm shorting risk right now, bro. I'm shorting
Yeah,
risk.
I was sure on it too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
I'm
see,
short ship.
short
As
SHIB.
long as it drops,
SHIB is
if it closes
risk,
below this
bro. SHIB
maybe.
is a shit coin.
Yeah, I'm short ship.
Shiba.
But like, bro, I think this pre-news low gets ran on ES. Like, it's just like, what is this doing right now? This is just top. But the entries when they get
Even CE
respected,
there.
hmm,
Even CEO of that long wick down there.
yeah, yeah, at least 50% of that. Stop loss can get moved down to reduce risk right now. I don't expect it to go above 50% of these two candles, which would be a little bit higher. There we go. That's like where you can reduce risk at this very moment. But this is just low resistance liquidity around conditions. Okay, let me get rid of the 5-minute drawings. Um, this is all you need to watch on Dixie, and it's holding up in here pretty well. Oh, sorry, wrong one. There. I do think the Dixie sends from here. It should get sent.
If it's going, it needs to go now.
Yeah, no, it does. ES is interesting. It's very different to Nasdaq right now. If it gives this, I'll short again. Like, what is this price action? Look at Dixie. Watch 50% of this wick, by the way. There. Um, what does ES look like on the 15? Okay, the 15 doesn't look too bad, but like we kind of need to start dumping back down now. Um, do you see? Is that magic right there? Troy, look at this. I said watch 50% of this wick.
Yeah, bro.
Um, we got 10 people in here, but no one's talking. What are you guys up to? What are you guys trading? Alright, so I want to see ES push down now, but like the Dixie's kind of playing around here. This literally should go up. I want to see it
Devs,
above this
Devs
ASAP.
is the main man. There's no question about it.
Yeah, shout out for the support, G, from the
Shout
very
out
beginning.
Devs, bro. Yeah,
Um,
when the Dixie starts sending, yes, is gonna dump.
yeah, but like I don't know what the Dixie's doing here. I mean, does it want the NWOG under? I mean, it might, but like then ES probably sends.
It should.
I want to reduce risk to above that high, just in case we do have some unexpected dumpage from the Dixie. Bro, my drink's finished. Oh, I hate this. Look at how many candles has this been? It's been literally from 8:31 until 9:10. It's done nothing. Like, what is this? Yeah, I don't know, boys. I don't know about shorts. It's kind of like worrying me how long it's spending up here. Like, I need to see
A
some bullish
long
price
way.
action on Dixie right now. Bro, if this thing makes a lower low, there's no way this thing makes it a lower low right now. Like, with ES like this, there's no way this thing makes a lower low. Yeah, now it needs to send. Okay, so immediately watch for this. How does this act when it trades back into it? Does this act as support? That's what you want to watch here. And then for like internal structure shift, kind of this high, that'll give an indication of wanting to go higher a bit, at least in the very short term. But I'm liking this price action finally on ES. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Well, as I say that, the entire candle gets eaten back up. But let's see how this candle acts. 50% of that for candle closes. Like, bro, look at this. I did say to watch how this reacts when price trades back into it, and that's not bullish reaction. So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, shorts are kind of risky here. Shorts are
Yeah,
very risky here. Dixie's not looking
nothing,
good.
nothing's really shifted structure yet, anyways. This is all preemptive.
No, it is, but like, I mean, ES is showing weakness with the SMT, and it displaced lower, traded back into the FEG, swept inside the FEG, so there's a FU there. But then it's just like the reaction after that, after the entry trigger hasn't been the best, Roy. What's GU doing, G?
GU, if it respects the 1 minute candle at 911 CE, then I reckon it'll go higher.
911. Um, Interesting. Are you guys seeing how like the Dixie is like showing willingness to go lower? Like it's not really that hard for the price to push lower, but like it's kind of showing like it's hard for it to push higher. But I mean, then again, we did just take liquidity to the downside and shift up in one candle, so um, we kind of need like pretty bearish price action for the shorts to be fully confirmed. But like with Dixie doing this right now, I kind of just want to see this happen, like like that, or worse comes to worse, back into this end walk.
Right, just open GBP.
Yeah.
What is that?
If it breaks it here, it's at it now. If it closes at here, then
I'm
I'd shift
liking
bearish.
ES right now. It should continue like fast right here, like big down close candles is what I'm saying. Yeah. Okay. So yep, this is good. Do you remember how I said to watch for 50% of this green candle and how that acts on candle closes? Do you see that? That's called a bearish order block right there. All right, let's see. Now, the first thing that price draws my attention to is this volume imbalance, which is in the bottom of this bearish order block. Um, and then obviously we've got this FEG that it made. Did GU dump?
Yeah, GU shifted structure to bearish.
Shib's printing
What?
on a
Yeah, it
short too.
used what? Daniel's on
Weekly
fire
lows down
tonight.
here.
Mate, I'm just on the shit coins, man.
Mate, I'm trying the biggest
Nothing.
shitcoin of them all, the S&P 500.
You reckon?
Yeah, G. Alright, so currently up 2,000 on this paper trade. I got in 3 contracts, so it was a pretty big position size, but like the risk was tiny. It was literally 375 risk for the reward right now of 2k. Um, so let's see, what does the 15 look like? Yeah, so this is all 15 FEG, depending on where this candle closes. But like 5, yeah, like not really much. So like I think we should continue to the downside here. Like targets would be first 50% of this wick, and then literally this low, um, the overnight low. Okay, yeah, this is good. It should dump now down now from here, if it's gonna be and institutional order flow entry drill, which is when it wicks once quickly into an FEG and then doesn't come back. That's what gets you like big down and up close candles. But like obviously this doesn't have to be. Um,
BTC's shifted structure, so I'm just waiting for Phil.
BTC
Yeah, BTC.
to the downside.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Have a look.
Interesting. I'm currently trading ES, mate. One sec. I'll go over crypto and stuff later. I'm thinking, Ro, what do you think? We should start streaming more often now that we're kind of like laxing it on everything else.
Yeah, and pump out a few more YouTube videos.
Yeah, we do need more YouTube videos out. You need to make that. You need to make that risk management V2G, risk management round 2, with the spreadsheet.
Yeah, but I reckon that comes later though.
Later.
Like I reckon that comes later.
Alright, fair enough.
Because then like it's like not a good thing to be like fully focused on the equity curve at the start.
True, the psychology.
Yeah.
Who steps ahead, Roy? Who
Yeah,
steps ahead?
Alright, Dixie sends from this right here. Right now, I'm calling it Dixie above this high. We'll come back to that.
My paper trading doesn't work, man.
What do you
I'm
mean,
trying
G?
to sell 3 lots of GU.
Alright, yeah, Devs wants more streams, so we'll give you more streams, but like, what about the other 10 people in here? What are you guys up to? They're sleeping on the job.
Oh,
There we go. That's what you call demonstrated right in front of your eyes an institutional order flow entry drill. Okay, so now as ES continues to move lower, this should hold as a bearish order block. And then this FEG here should cap the price. Okay, Dixie's kind of messing around here. It needs to send from literally right here. What is this? Like, if you look at the 5 minute of ES, it's dumped. And then if you look at the 5 minute of Dixie, it's literally just gone sideways. Like, sideways. Not even like sideways up, kind of like just sideways down. Um, yeah, I want to see this cap price now. It shouldn't really go higher. I could sell again, but like, I might. Oh, if it gives again, I'll sell again. 0.5.
Yeah, but we'll be pumping out more education as well. What do you reckon? Should we put on the YouTube yet or?
This one.
No. I mean like the education we're gonna pump.
We'll need to figure it out. Like, I'm thinking it's gonna be a way to get people on our Twitter again. What? Why is it not
Yeah,
selling?
true.
Like Twitter, we'll make different types of mediums for like how we deliver. Does anybody see that? Why didn't it sell? I was literally trying to sell.
Yeah, it's weird. Just click on your paper trading button at the bottom.
Yeah.
No, no, like the actual.
Oh, like bring it up.
Yeah, like the. It's like a logo, I think.
Account
Should be
history.
in it. Yeah, yeah,
History.
that.
When
Yeah,
did
wait,
this happen? I
what
just
size are you
reset
in?
the account. Oh, in this short, I'm
In
in
your position, yeah.
I'm in three mini contracts. So
Oh,
like
okay.
pretty big, but I was trying to sell like 0.5 there. You might not be able to trade half of a contract. That might be it. Yeah, I think that might be it. Damn.
You can't do macros.
Now like on the mini, I think you might need to sell like one. I don't think you can sell like 0.5. But I mean,
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Right, like Dixie, are you gonna send or what?
I'm filled on the first FBG for BTC on the way down. Could come up more though.
Um, I want to see ES continue here. This bearish order block capped price nicely, like we asked it to. Um, it needs to continue here. Oh damn. Next one. Oh damn. What? What am I doing? Cyclonic sanity. Yeah, that's all good, mate. We appreciate you watching. We're trying to figure out like how do we can get some beats on the stream, but like we don't want to get copy striked on
Yeah.
YouTube. So it's kind of hard because everything on YouTube gets copy striked. Cause like especially when we're paper trading, um, it's hard for like the dead times between while we're just simply watching price or simply just waiting for price to do what it needs to do.
Or even when you're concentrating to enter a trade or something like
Yeah,
that.
you can't be talking the whole time. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. Are you guys seeing how this is like doing my head in right here. Dixie has just made a lower low yet again. It's made a lower low. Dixie's been trending down. Look at E-mini S&P. It has been trending down. These are inversely correlated markets. You've either got cash in your hand or you've invested in the stock market. It can't be both at the same time. Yet they're trending the same way. Like what is this? This is non-farm payrolls for you right here. This is why you simply do not trade non-farm payrolls. I like you want to start like taking partial profits soon. Um, like how do you manage your orders again? There's like a way to like how do you take partial profits? Because I remember last time I tried to do it, it just took me out completely from the trade.
Click on your order. Click on your
Oh
order number.
no! Oh gee, I just TP'd. Oh bruh. Damn. I just TP'd. I mean, fair enough though, like
What was the profit? What was the profit?
um I mean ICT only says 5 handles. Profit was orders. No, history here. Wait, what? Account history. Plus 3,000 from that trade.
Okay, that's
It was like how many handles? You guys witnessed that live, right? Anybody, am I wigging it, or did you guys witness that trade happen in live, right in front of you? From, my entry was like here to here is 20 handles. I mean, that's not bad, bro. Oh,
20 handles.
DJ mixes. Yeah, that's one thing I was looking into. Like I was looking into like house music, like edits of those. I don't think that gets taken down on YouTube.
Like I'm thinking like SoundCloud edits, like SoundCloud house music. Surely not.
Yeah. I really want to short again, but I don't want to give any profits back to the market. Look at it. Yes, is so weak, G. This is a random 1 minute bearish order block, and look at these candles.
Yeah,
And
mash
Dixie's
ups and
trending
stuff should be
down the
fine.
entire time. This entirety is SMT until this high is taken out. It's actually crazy. I reckon this is one of the like the worst days I've ever seen for like the decorrelation between Dixie and ES.
It's just no movement in these markets. Like, come on, give me
Nah,
something.
I just caught a nice move on ES.
Now I'm looking at, man, I'm looking at the shit coins.